Learn English to Gujarati communication words. Message 2.
File.
Welcome to the inbox jungle. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati communication words without falling asleep on your keyboard. Let's walk into the wild world of phones, emails, and mysterious missing attachments. This morning, your phone buzzes before your brain is awake. A giant
Sandesh.
appears on the screen. It means message. You blink at it like a confused potato. Then your laptop wakes up with a proud little ding and shows a new
Email.
That means email. Before you can even sip your tea, your phone starts dancing across the table with a loud
Call.
Yes, that is a call. You miss it, of course, because real life enjoys drama. So now you wait for a
Phone.
callback. Meanwhile, your boss wants an
Jawab.
answer. Your coworker asks for more
Mahiti.
meaning info. Then comes the classic office horror story. I sent the report. Great, but where is the
Jodan.
That is the attachment. Finally, hidden inside the computer like treasure in a boring pirate movie, there is the
File.
file. Congratulations. You have entered the inbox jungle and already met all 8 survivors. Your survival words. Let's slow down and meet each word clearly. You listen, repeat, and try not to send your grocery list to your manager. Message in Gujarati is
Sandesh.
Example. I received your
Sandesh.
this morning. Email in Gujarati is
Email.
Example. Please check your
Email.
call in Gujarati is
Call.
Example. I got a
Call.
this morning. Callback in Gujarati is
Phone.
Example. I am waiting for a
Phone.
answer in Gujarati is
Jawab.
Example. Please give an
Jawab.
info in Gujarati is
Mahiti.
Example. Please send me the
Mahiti.
by email. Attachment in Gujarati is
Jodan.
Example. Please open the
Jodan.
in the email. File in Gujarati is
File.
Example. Please open the
File.
now. A very normal chaotic day. Now you get a mini story. It is educational, slightly ridiculous, and sadly realistic. You arrive at work feeling confident for exactly 11 seconds. First, your friend sends a
Sandesh.
good luck today. Nice. Then your manager sends in
Email.
where is the report? Less nice. You are about to reply when you get a
Call.
from an unknown number. You ignore it because that feels brave. 5 minutes later, you realize it was important, and now you desperately want a
Phone.
Your manager appears like a wizard of deadlines and asks for your
Jawab.
You say, I just need more.
Mahiti.
Very professional, very vague. Then comes disaster. You proudly announce, I sent the document. Your manager checks the email and says, wonderful. But the
Jodan.
is missing. Silence. Birds stop singing. A printer laughs somewhere in the distance. You reopen the computer, search through every folder, and finally find the sacred
File.
You attach it, send it again, and this time the universe forgives you. Quick dialogue drill. Time to hear the words in action. Imagine the scene and repeat the Gujarati words out loud. A. Did you get my message? B. Yes, I got your
Sandesh.
A. Did you contact her? B. Yes, I sent an
Email.
A. Did you get my call? B. Yes, your
Call.
came while I was eating. A. They missed my call. B. Ask for a
Phone.
A. What is your answer? B. My
Jawab.
is ready. A. Do you have the info? B. Yes, here is the
Mahiti.
A. Did you send the report? B. Yes, I added the
Jodan.
A. Where is the document? B. It is in the
File.
tiny quiz, big drama. Let's test your memory. No pressure. Okay, maybe a tiny bit of dramatic pressure. What is the Gujarati word for message?
संदेश,
What is the Gujarati word for email?
ईमेल,
What is the Gujarati word for call?
कॉल,
What is the Gujarati word for callback?
पाछो फोन,
What is the Gujarati word for answer?
जवाब,
What is the Gujarati word for info?
माहिती,
What is the Gujarati word for attachment?
जोड़ाण,
What is the Gujarati word for file?
फाइल,
Memory tricks that actually stick. Here are some fast memory hooks. They are weird on purpose because your brain loves weird things. Think of
संदेश,
as a message popping onto a glowing phone screen. Think of
ईमेल,
as a digital envelope flying into your laptop. Think of
कॉल,
as your phone ringing so loudly that even your tea is startled. Think of
पाछो फोन,
as a call that walks away, then politely comes back. Think of
जवाब,
as the key that opens a locked question. Think of
माहिती,
as a flashlight that removes confusion. Think of
जोड़ाण,
as a paperclip backpack attached to an email. Think of
फाइल,
as a small box holding important papers or digital secrets. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through messages, calls, emails, and the legendary missing attachment. Today you learned 8 useful English to Gujarati communication words.
संदेश, ईमेल, कॉल, पाछो फोन, जवाब, माहिती, जोड़ाण,
And
फाइल.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and come back again before your next heroic battle with an inbox.